Hi Gemini, welcome to Agnya 8 and we are tuning in to see what the energies are like for you for second half of August 2020. So this will be a quick sneak peek and this is going to be a very different kind of a reading. It may get into the a detail and the depths of subconscious at times. So stay calm, stay composed while before you watch this. Just kind of, I would say, focus on your breath a bit and get aligned, okay? And do watch the overall August. Maybe you will get some extension and some added information in this from that. Nonetheless, let's begin. Check what is coming up for you. It'll be a very quick sneak peek, but at times the messages may get whatever it is. The first card which we've got is the Lookout. This is the first. I just finished reading for Virgo, and that was the last card which I got for them. So if you have Virgo strong in your chart or anywhere in your placements, so do watch that reading because there is a linkage which is coming up. Second card which we have got for you is a Two of Keys, the Treasure, which is interesting. After the Lookout, getting that card is going to be nice. Let's see what is the third one. Five of Forces. Now we've got this upright, so it is time for you some amount of action. So let's tune in and check. Now if you look at this card, this is an individual who is climbed up on this ship's cow's pet, and whatever you call this, wherein he has binoculars in the hands, and he's trying to look out for options because this ship is on fire and he can't stay here for long, and he has to look out for options. He has to look out for saving himself out of this. There could have been probably a battle wherein how this ship could have been on fire. Now you need to see in your life, this is a time wherein you kind of pause, look in your life. Is there any situation which is catching up fire? Or there could be probably a battle-y situation, might be temporary, but is there anything like that which is happening in your life? If that's so, it's time for you to stay calm and composed like this individual is. If you look at very closely, he is just holding and look out for options. He is not looking perturbed. He is not looking disturbed. So this is the time where you need to look out for options and see how you can be saved out of the situation. You will be, because options will always be there, provided you need to stay calm and composed as you look out, because the second card which we've got for you is the Treasure. Maybe what you get from here, and you maybe land up or end up, I am like kind of getting a piratey story here, maybe a big treasure. But here if you see this card, is this person is also on a lookout, and you might be on a lookout for a treasure. Now this treasure could mean maybe a literal sense that you're looking out for a better opportunity, maybe more money in your life, maybe better relationship, or this could be anything. So if you see very closely, this person is kind of looking out for stuff, and what he's kind of everything is looking around. So definitely there is a treasure. That's why because probably there is a lead which person has got. Now if you see this tarot, there are a lot of situations which you need to delve into your life, and that's how it works. It kind of dive in your Akashic imprints. This is a general read, so it'll be very different for all of you, but if you've landed on this reading, it's time for you to kind of deep dive and understand that what is that you are on a lookout. Maybe you mounted on this ship because you are on a lookout. Maybe what is that treasure means to you. You need to ask yourself, is this a relationship? Is this a kind of a family life you need? Is this some business partnership or a venture? Is this some promotion? Is this a career? Is this your hobbies? Or literally some money which you've been wanting? What is this? Now whatever that is, it's time for you to take action, because the next card which we have got is the Summer and Winter, and we've got this upright, meaning You can look at this beautiful harvest. It's a time for harvest, but this is a time for action, because you can see far on the land this man is still kind of working on the fields. So it is not the time for you to kind of lay down low or relax, because you need to get out of the situation. Ship is on fire. You can't sit here and see that, all right, I will be saved. But yes, you will be saved, but then you will have to have a lookout. You will have to see, if you're looking out for some treasure, you need to look for things. You need to kind of check how, where's what, etc. So it is time for action for you, but there is a beautiful promise, a clear sky. If you kind of put actions, there is nothing which you are falling short of, because it's a beautiful, beautiful field full of flowers about to bloom or almost blooming, and there is clear sky, bright sun. So definitely this situation is challenging, but depending on you. Every action has a consequence. If you take action, you will land here and you will be able to reap a lot of benefits. If you kind of decide to stay stuck in the situation, and then the things will be very different. So everything is in our hands as to how we would want to look at things. I'll add another layer from the regular tarot and see from that as to what is lining up. Let me kind of, I've already shuffled those, but then I will just kind of, oops, sorry. So let's see what is coming forth, and add another layer for you here as we move along. Okay, you've got two cards, so I'll take the one on top. Yeah, Judgment is there, so that means some resurrection. There is something in the past which you've been dealing with, which is at the brink of taking a new shape for you. And there is this Knight of Pentacles moving very slow and taking like a moving at a snail pace. This could be you, this could be somebody else, but moving towards love, moving towards a new offer, moving towards self-love. But it's all depicted under the action, the Five of Forces, and that is what you will have to be dealing with here, Gemini. Now here with that, with the Judgment coming with the lookout here, you need to be lookout. Also in a lookout, there is something from the past which is coming forth and revisiting you, and which will set things on fire. And maybe you were settled and calm and you thought that it's all over and nothing is really there anymore. No worries, no nothing. However, there are things which resurfaces, and there is this fire where there is this heat in that moment which you feel again. But this is there for a reason. This is there so that it can be, this fire can be doused for good, and you can look out for the new options. And if there was something which was moving at a snail pace, very, very slow moving energy, now you don't really need to be worried on that front, because the Knight of Pentacles is a short movement. It is for good haul. This knight has a huge potential to be a king, and so that the treasure which you're looking for, and that is, as I said, that you need to see there is definitely a light which in this room, there is definitely a treasure which you're looking out for. So definitely a treasure in your life which you need to kind of hunt and get it out, so that you can start living that treasure, you can start enjoying that peace in your life. So there is movement towards that, and probably as you take actions, there is this offer which is coming forth. This is about the new sense of love for your life, new sense of love for yourself, or maybe the new sense of love somebody else feels for you. It could be anything, but definitely everything is lining up with action. Is a short thing I'm sensing. It's time for action is how I'll tag this as well. Now let's see, I'll add one more. I'll get one card and from this deck, and we'll see what is that in the second half that you're guided to work, or you're already working with. So whatever comes forth is what we will pick. Let's see for you, Gemini, what is that? Okay, what is it? Let's see first. Okay, so it's dealing with depression. Okay, so not literally, don't take it like that, but there could be some of you who might be really dealing with it. It could not be a deep depression, but there could be something as a not a high vibe. You might be dealing with some low vibe. I'm seeing the rains, and this is how it is right now in out here. There are a lot of rains out, literally, but you don't really have to be worried, because the rains are also the every season is temporary. So is this, because so I'm sensing that during this time when this heat douses, before the heat douses, there is this rise up of the heaty moment is when you probably might feel a little sad, low, but not necessarily that you need to be doing that. And if you're dealing with the exact depression, and this card is for you, depression does exactly what it sounds like. It pushes you down and makes you immobile. When you set your sights outside of yourself and begin to help others, depression turns into expression, the expression of God's goodness through you. And this is also guiding you to help others, because you will find help for sure in your way, because I'm sensing that you are moving towards this green, the green field and the green pasture, whatever you call it, in your life. And here you have, once you kind of reach that state, don't forget that you have been helped as well. So there is a possibility that you get help, you will, and to be out of this entire scenario. But once you're out, if you find somebody else in the situation or something like that, you will have to help the person. There is a possibility that you have moved out of the depression and you have been helped by somebody, and now it's time for return for that. So this is what it is for you, Gemini. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm open for private readings. It's you can write to agnya8@gmail.com. That's been mentioned at the description box below. And this is it. I'll see you guys again. Thank you so much for supporting, and big shout out to all the subscribers and the new ones who are adding. I so appreciate it. So I'll see you later. Spread love and be happy.